Hello friends, my name is Deshana. I'm going to start a video series on facts about science and space. Today, I'm going to tell you 13 amazing facts about universe. So are you ready? Let's begin. Number 8. It is believed that at the very beginning, the universe was very small and quite hot. According to the Big Bang theory, formulated in 1933, an explosion caused the universe to expand. The Sun evolved 9 billion years after the explosion, and our galaxy, the Milky Way, was formed after 5 billion years. The Earth and the other planets were formed from the debris. The Earth is only a dot in the vast universe. In fact, the size of the universe is not even constant. It keeps expanding, and due to this at one time, the matter inside it was much closer to each other than it's today. The empty space created in between results in the creation of millions of galaxies and stars. In the beginning, the universe was composed of 75% of hydrogen and 25% of helium. The temperature was as high as 10,000 million degrees when the Big Bang took place. The universe has its own longevity. As time is progressing, things in the universe are constantly changing. The universe is so huge that to measure it, the light years is used. This is the distance traveled by light in the span of a year. It covers 10 trillion kilometers in 1 year. A speed of a light is 3 lakhs kilometers per second. Light travels in the form of waves. The study of the universe is called cosmology. It tells us about its beginning, how it developed through time, and the predictions about future. The universe contains of millions of galaxies, which contain millions of stars. The stars are actually huge ball of fire. Some stars are giant in size while some are small. 16. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Did you know that some stars are even older than the universe? The brightest star in the universe is named Pistol. It is about 10 times brighter than the sun. 17. Asteroids are formed when the leftover material from the inner solar system floats about aimlessly. Asteroids are rich in precious metals and water. They are known as minor planets or planetoids, and some of them even have their own moons. Some 65 million years ago, asteroids caused the loss of dinosaurs on Earth. At one time, the crashes between Earth and the asteroids were a common incident, even though they are rare now. Three main types of asteroids are named: Dark C, Bright M, and Bright S. Proxima Centauri is the closest star to our solar system. It is around 4.22 light years away from us. Some 900 million years ago, the antenna galaxies started colliding and merging into one giant galaxy. Did you know that there is no life on the asteroids? It is because they are very small in size. The gravitational force is very weak, and as a result, the asteroids cannot maintain a fixed shape. You will be surprised to know that the mass of all the asteroids is lesser than our moon. There are more than 180 natural satellites in the solar system. Each one moves in its own orbit around the planet. For instance, Mars has two satellites called Phobos and Deimos. Saturn and Jupiter have then 60 natural satellites, whereas the Earth only has one. The largest satellite of Neptune is called Triton, and its crust is made of solid frozen nitrogen. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the four planets of our solar system. Their inner cores are made up of metals, and they have rocky crusts. Mercury has a heavily cratered surface just like the moon. The atmosphere of Venus is composed of carbon dioxide with statue dust and sulfuric acid. Mars is red in color because of the color of its soil, which contains iron oxide. Did you know that the four outer planets of our solar system are giant spheres of gases? They do not have a solid outer surface but hold a solid core. All of these four planets have rings of matter floating around them. The largest one is Jupiter, which is around 1.43 lakhs kilometers in diameter. Most of the asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter. This is known as the asteroid belt. They are all small in size. The largest one, Ceres, is around 950 kilometers in diameter. Astronomers believe that the asteroids remains of the planets which failed to form. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment below. Thank you.